What do you do when your child throws a tantrum in public? As a parent coach, this is one of the most challenging questions I get asked. It seems like every parent has a different strategy for dealing with a tantrum, and all of them are usually well-intended. But what works and what doesn't? There is one key step that many parents forget to take when their child throws a tantrum, and it makes all the difference. In a moment, I'll tell you exactly what to do and what to say so you can stop the tantrum quickly and effectively, and it only takes 3 seconds. But first, let's talk about why kids throw tantrums. Tantrums are a normal part of development. Kids will throw tantrums for a variety of reasons. They might be tired, hungry, or overstimulated. Sometimes they just don't understand why they can't have what they want or do what they want. Other times, they might be testing boundaries to see how far they can push. As a parent, it can be really frustrating and embarrassing when your child throws a tantrum in public. You might feel like everyone is staring at you or judging you as a parent, but it's important to remember that tantrums are normal and that your child is not doing it on purpose to embarrass you. So what should you do when your child throws a tantrum in public? The first thing you should do is stay calm. It's important to remember that your child is looking to you for guidance. If you get angry or frustrated, your child will only become more upset. Take a deep breath and try to remain calm. The next thing you should do is ignore the tantrum. This is the most important step and the one that most parents forget. When you ignore a tantrum, you're teaching your child that this behavior is not acceptable. Eventually, the child will get tired of throwing the tantrum and will stop. This may take some time, but it's important to be patient. If the tantrum continues, you may need to remove your child from the situation. This could mean leaving the store or the restaurant. It's important to do this quickly and calmly. Don't make a scene or yell at your child. Simply pick them up and leave. Once you get home, talk to your child about what happened. Explain that tantrums are not acceptable behavior and that you're disappointed. Then give your child a timeout. This will help them to calm down and reflect on their behavior. It's also important to praise your child when they do behave well. This will help them to repeat that behavior in the future. In conclusion, when a child throws a tantrum in public, it can be frustrating and embarrassing. But it's important to remember that tantrums are normal and that your child isn't doing it on purpose to embarrass you. Stay calm, ignore the tantrum, remove your child from the situation if necessary, and then talk to your child about it when you get home. Praise your child when they do behave well. In a few moments, your child will learn that tantrums are not an effective way to get what they want and will stop throwing them.